Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to restore purchases on the application of Adobe Acrobat. To know how to restore purchases on the application of Adobe Acrobat, you should just go to the app of Adobe Acrobat as you see and we click. After that, in this page, you will go to above to this window here of profile and you will enter. Then in this list, we go to click subscriptions. So here, and in this list you will go to click restore purchases, and here you can restore your purchases, but I don't find any purchases to restore. That's why I can't restore these purchases now, but when you find it, you can restore your purchases here in this page. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.